For today's video, guys, I will teach you how, how to make Robux, but scam. This first, login your Roblox account and password. It's loading, guys. Then click this. You see the Robux here, and click and speak. And wait a minute, and click this. Click it, and you can put how many Robux you want. I put 93 million, then enter. Then you got the Robux. But it's fake, guys. You can scam your friend. And that's for today's video, guys. Thank you.